Ladies and boys and girls, civilians of all ages, what's poppin'? Animated establishment Townzie, take 2 of the intro. We got hold by the camera, blurriness factor 100%. But what's happening? How we doing? What's vibing? How are we? We got not gay. I'm tripping. Not Friday just yet. No JJK, but we got the CSM chain saw main. And if you're watching this right now, look, listen carefully. Yes, I may be reacting to the manga right now, but when I get off work in like 5, 6, 7 hours, something like that, man. When I get off work, we're gonna be reacting to the anime, so pull up to that too. That's only gonna be on the Twitch though, no YouTube. You know how anime things work. It'll be on the YouTube, chopped up, you know what I'm saying, chopped and screwed, throw it on the Patreon, the full team there. But if you want the anime reactions, we will be there. But for now, we indeed have the manga. So last time, we had young Mojo Jojo Brain, tendrils coming out the Mojo Jojo Brain, big ass head. She had big ass head, and I think we lost her. I think we lost Yuko, mentality-wise. Hopefully not, you know what I'm saying? Maybe got something, you know what I'm saying, maybe. And then we got some type of other horseman, you know what I'm saying? We got the Makima slash, you know what I'm saying, Makima slash Yami eyes, you know what I'm saying? So we need to see what's going on here, you know what I'm saying? Got the Mihawks going on, the yellow things going on. So we just need to see. We got another apocalypse, another horseman, another apocalypse, another horseman of the apocalypse. I need to see. I need to know. What do we have in store here for us today? I'm geeked. I already seen somebody say they fired. They need the next chapter now. I need it. I thought Yuko was dead. She ain't dead yet. Her head is still big. She's still smiling. She's still cheesing. I'm still low-key making fun of it because it was low-key a funny shot. Nonetheless, y'all know the regular plugs here. So we done. Pull up to the Discord. We certainly have some discourse about it. Or pull up to the Twitch stream. Look, man. You see what we got going on here. Got the boys with me. Look. They're a little silent this time around. I'm saying a little silent, but we still live. Don't forget we still live. They just a little silent, you know what I'm saying? Everybody a little busy. We're gonna do it at night this time, you know what I'm saying? Next time we're gonna do it at night. But no, we got it here for y'all today. Hold on. Boom. Y'all thought I forgot. I ain't forget. So what was I doing again? School. Oh wow, look at the little people. Everybody running around. This has to be, they're looking down from up. This has to be from Yuko's point of view. School. You see the industrial teens? Of course bullying won't end. As long as schools exist. Oh no. Oh no, that's not how this works. Wait, Yuko? We ain't gotta do this. We don't have to. Of course bullying won't end as long as schools exist. Oh, okay, so she's gonna slap through the schools. So she's just gonna slap directly through the school. This ain't it. Baby, chill, relax, calm down. This ain't it. It ain't gotta be this way. She laughing, I did it. But there's still more schools, you know what I'm saying? You gonna go destroy every school in the world or Japan? Which one is it? You know what I'm saying? Gotta be one. Yow! And then that look like a praying mantis hand getting slapped around by the mantis. Is that your weapon? Yeah, is that weapon yours? More awful bullies. Take the damn. Wow. Cut him in half. Cut the other homie in half the same way. Lord, we have to calm down. And then she looks down. It's just student on the ground. Okay, it's Asa. Asa? Are you okay? Okay, who did this to you? She looked over. You did this. No? God, it wasn't me. She said, God, this is crazy. She gonna murder somebody because of something that you did. Hey, step onto the scene. Big chainsaw main. My boy, Big Denji. He said, all I want to do is touch the T. That's my boy. That's my son. Hey, you bad devil. Let the girl go. Look at him trying to act like Superman, brother. Brother, you have to, no. You have to calm down. Mind your own business. Well, you left me no choice. I don't want to blow my cover, so we just lying. But a superhero can't stand idly by in an emergency at all. I hope I hope Asa stays asleep. I hope she don't know. I hope she don't find out. My camera's still trying to hold me. Can y'all stop? He's just lying. Just straight through his teeth. I told her to buzz off. Stay out of my way. And chainsaws do buzz. Stay out of my way. So the slice is coming. The slicey slice. All right. So he rev it up. You know what I'm saying? You already know what's going on here. Oh. cut your ish in half. Didn't even let it get to him. You know what I'm saying? He hit the sword strike. He didn't even need to. He just, you know what I'm saying, hit a headbutt. Ow! Chainsaw Man? Ta-da! That's my boy. He just wants some attention. Oh my gosh, Chainsaw Man showed up. What am I gonna do now? Stay away. It's still a little girl in there. It's still a real life little girl, and that Chainsaw Man's here to save the day. So he just dancing. My man dancing, jumping, cutting along, slicing. Why can't I hit him? Oh yeah, he just read his mind. And then cut. That's probably what's going through his mind, right? Cut. He sound like a director. Cut. You're kidding me. He's not thinking about the fight at all. What's he thinking about? Breast disease? All he's thinking about is how to expose his secret identity while making it seem natural. That's my boy. That's my boy. You know what I'm saying? All the devil stuff. Look, part 1. All the devil stuff going on. You know what I'm saying? This, that, and the third. Kill the devils, gun devils, and all that. He just wanted to touch some breastises. Some chesticles. You know what I'm saying? Might maybe a kissy kiss. Maybe a hug. You know what I'm saying? Maybe a high five. Shit, a pound. My man's fairly simple. He said, yes, I'll murder you, and all I want to do is expose my secret. Yeah. So yeah, keep on mind reading, Justice baby. Keep on mind reading. She's just gonna keep on getting cut, sliced. Sounds fun. Sounds wonderful. Asa wakes up. Head hurting. You know what I'm saying? Gotta rub the neck. You know what I'm saying? She look up. Chainsaw Man. Oh no, not she look up. That's Yoru. Oh. I think I called Yoru Yami at the beginning of this reaction. I don't care either. Chainsaw Man, Yoru says. Yeah? Look over. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's time. I need all this in my life. This is what we've been waiting for it. We got Big Denji back. He wasn't. I guess you can say Denji was the MC this chapter. You know what I'm saying? It certainly wasn't Asa. I'm not gonna give it to Yuko neither. I'm not gonna lie to you. But she didn't see him transform. I was hoping she stayed asleep so she didn't see him transform. There's always still obviously the slight possibility that she does the thing, that he untransforms next to her. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. For me, we gotta give it a little bit more time. We gotta let it marinate a little bit. I could just as easily see Fujimoto just revealing it to her, at least right now. But I just want to let it sit, just let it boil a little bit. Just let Denji suffer a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Just because he's trying to be cocky with it, and I'm a piece of shit, so... So you know what I'm saying? So we just gotta let your boy suffer a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Let's reveal it next encounter, Fujimoto. Let's reveal it next encounter, shall we? Please. You know what I'm saying? We got it. No, yeah, I very much enjoyed this chapter. A whole lot of hands. And I think, and I'm at the point where it's like, yeah, I don't think we getting Yuko back. You know what I'm saying? We know that we got the partialness, you know what I'm saying? It's not really a contract. I guess you could call it a contract. Well, Yoru is definitely a contract. Puchita's a contract too. So yeah, Denji still got his sense of self. You know what I'm saying? Asa still got her sense of self. Maybe. I think Yuko's lost her fucking mind. I'm not gonna lie. It looks like Yuko's lost her goddamn mind. So it just kind of is what it is on that front. But yeah, so much for protecting Yuko. Do I change the title for that old YouTube video? Nah. But I'ma just have to suffer. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna have to suffer. But no, yeah, Denji came, pulled up, slicey cut, slice. Now let me see. Did he actually finish the fight with her? Yes, he did. It's on top of the dead body, face mangled, all that. Okay. Yuko's gone. Pain and suffering. We do get the matchup that we wanted to see for a while now. Maybe Denji just realizes that, oh, this is the one little girl who said I wasn't Chainsaw Man. Vroom, haha, but it is I, Denji. Or some dumb shit like that. You can see him doing it. That's Denji. Honestly, this chapter was like, it be feeling like this with Chainsaw Man chapters because it'd be so much more drawing than words sometimes. But this chapter felt like extremely short. Because not that much happened. But it was still a fire, you know what I'm saying? We still got the hands, we still got the fire ass panels, we still got the Fuji Moto angles. But there's not a lot to review this time around. So as far as this reaction goes, pretty much all I got for y'all this time around. So like I always say, leave a like, comment, subscribe, pull up to the Twitch stream, pull up to the Discord, and y'all have a good one.